It's your girl Lacey A with Lacey's Life Journey, and I just bought an external DVD/CD external drive, and this is by Gotega. It's really good. It has a USB 3.0. So we're just gonna do this unboxing review, and I bought this on Amazon. It's high performance. It's really good. So let's see. And here's a thanks warranty card and a free Amazon $10 lucky gift card of Mosai summer warranty. Again, it's by Gotega. You see right there. And underneath this nicely compacted USB cord. So when you're finished, you can just tuck it back under. All right, here we go. So we're just gonna turn the computer on and we're gonna see how this bad boy works. So we just insert the USB port connector in. Alright, here we go, it works. Yep, it opens and closed. Okay, next thing. So again, this is a DVD-ROM. We're going to read the instructions. Okay, so instructions for use. This product will use the interface properly connected to a USB in the computer. So we're going to go ahead and try this. Put this Pure 60 Soul CD in to see if this bad boy can play CDs as well. Alright, here's the manual. It's a brief look over of instructions. Like my new glow-in-the-dark mouse, gamer mouse. Alright, we're gonna get this started. Let me go ahead and move what I was doing out of the way. Alright, here we go. So hit the DVD-ROM icon that pops up. You hit play audio CD. Alright, here's the 60s Pure Soul. Okay, it's playing. Sounds good.
It's good.
Alright. Alright, now we're going to take this out to see if it plays a DVD. That's the big thing. So let's get it started. I'm going to try this abs and buttocks workout and body and soul fitness DVD. Alright. I'm going to try hitting movies and TV and see if it registers. Okay, you see it just popped up as a USB outlet and not an actual form of DVD. It's almost like it's not showing the settings properly. So what I had to do is download Power DVD 2020. It's the free version installation. So I'm installing it now. You hit yes. Alright, so hit English, hit OK. And then we're just going to go ahead and install this. Read the license and agreements real quick. And then you just hit accept. Alright, and we're going to wait for it to download. Alright, it's downloaded. Now we're going to launch. Hit confirm, or you can hit no thank you, then confirm. It's a PC mode. Then we have to log in, so I have to create and register real quick. Alright, I registered. It's going to send you activation code to your email. You go ahead and accept that activation code, and then you can sign back in. And you're good. And then you just choose I think Canada/US. And then set as default player, and there you go, it's playing. I rate this 10 out of 10.